So we're super excited to have our guests come in today, mostly content creators, where we can really put our DJI tools in the hands of the people who use them the most. Today we really wanted to just showcase some of the products within our range, ranging from our drones as well as our gimbals. And then the one that we're really excited about is the DJI Avata, which is our FPV drone, which has just recently launched. So the user is able to benefit from a product like this because of its simplicity. We really put the power in the hands of the user with a smart controller that allows you to navigate around your aerial shots with just the flick of a wrist, with gentle maneuvers. From a usability perspective as well, we've got the software that really enables you to make use of the quality that this product has to offer. So the major difference with this particular drone is the fact that it's FPV. FPV really allows you to speak a different language when it comes to your content creation style. What it does is will really showcase a whole new way of bringing footage to life. And I've spoken about the aerial acrobatics, your ability to maneuver around buildings, around objects. This is all fully possible with the DJI Avata that, as I say, is an agile drone, is a drone that allows you to really kind of get the best out of your environment.
I'm a creative director based in Cape Town, but I'm up here in beautiful Johannesburg. We are here at the Sandton iStore for the launch of the DJI Avata drone. It is a new compact FPV drone in the style of a Cinewhoop. It's a drone that allows us to get acrobatic, it allows us to dip and dive, while also allowing us to get close to the cast and scenarios we're trying to capture. The DJI Avata is DJI's first drone that has ducted propellers. That means that the propellers themselves are in an enclosure, allowing you to get closer to obstacles and people. It means that it's safer to fly the drone inside, safer to fly it closer to people, but it also has a more cinematic flight performance profile. So the drone flies more smoothly, flies less agile than the DJI FPV, but still allows you to have that very first-person view that you want from an FPV drone without being restricted to the language of a traditional drone that you might be used to, like the Mavic or the Phantom series. The DJI Avata is the perfect entry point for the language of FPV. If I think of some of my favorite movies this year and the shots that made them incredibly gorgeous, FPV language was the thing that made them different. It's the new language for aerial cinematography, and the DJI Avata is the perfect entry point for people wanting to not only get a start with FPV, but also go further and fly safely.
I love the new products of DJI because they've incorporated the content creator in mind, because that's one thing that's been lacking. They've always done stuff for the film side of it, but not the digital content creation part of it. So the DJI Mini 3 Pro, for example, is one of the best ones because the DJI Mini 3 has a vertical mode, and that's what we've been lacking in most of the drones, that we had to take out the landscape and then cut it down into portrait mode. So now we can actually shoot in vertical and get it quick and out there. That's what it means as a content creator, that you can get content in, out quick.